Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, kamusta kayo dyan mga water signs natin? No? So, let's start with you, Cancer. No? So, wait lang wait lang mga Cancer, right? No? So, kamusta kayo dyan mga Cancer natin? So, anong meron sa inyo right now, Cancer? No? So, let's see. Anong sitwasyon meron kayo ng iyong person right now, no? And then, of course, self-care advice for this week and overall message or advice from the universe, right? No? So, let's start with the situation nyo, no? Mga Aries, Cancer, no? So, tignan natin sitwasyon nyo ng iyong person right now, no? Whoever it is na nasa isip nyo, right? So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Cancer. So, 1 card. So, 1 more card for Cancer. So, what are those cards, no? Let's see. So, no, meron dito, no, friend with benefits, no. So, no, for some of you, Cancer, no, you are dealing with a friend, no, right? And what else? Please forgive me, no. So, meron dito, no, hihingi ng kapatawaran, no. Maybe ay may nagawang kasalanan, no, something like that, no. So, what else? You are the one for me, no. So, no, I think with this friend of yours, no, Aries, no. So, I think wala kasi kayo naging label ng friend mo na ito, right, no. And then, parang naguluhan kayo, no, with the situation na meron kayo, no. So, again, no, just take what's resonate, no. Pwedeng magkabali-baligtad ang mga energies, right, no. Pwedeng ikaw to or ang person mo, right, no. So, but then, meron dito, no, hindi naging maayos ang connection, no. Kumbaga, before ay merong nangyayaring ganito, no. But then, nagkaroon ng confusion, no, for some of you, because parang siguro may nagtanong na rito, no, na ano bang meron sa atin, right, no, but then tinanggihan, no, ni-reject, no, ng the other person, right, no, but then ngayon, nakaka-realize itong tao na ito na you are the one for me, no. So, ngayon niya nare-realize na talagang mahal ka pala niya or talagang ikaw pala talaga yung hinahanap niya, no, something like that, no. Maybe nagkaroon ng parang separation, but then because you are this na wala kayong label, right, no. So, pero may nagkaroon ng disconnection between, diba? So, siguro ay with that disconnection happened ay nagkaroon ng realization itong person na ito, right, na yun nga ay ikaw pala yung hinahanap niya, no, something like that, no. So, please forgive me. So, may pagsisisi to, no. Maybe, before na meron kayong ganito ay, yun nga, no, parang nagsasabi ka, no, one of you ay nagsasabi ng feelings, but then ni-reject, no, something like that, because parang ganito lang kasi dati, no, nagkaroon ng disconnection, and then, after that ay nagkaroon ng realization the other person, right, no. So, yun nga, no. So, may pagbabalik dito, no. So, this is a past person of yours, no. Maybe ikaw or again, your person, no. This is a past person na magbabalik, no, for some of you. So, ito yung nakikita ko, no. So, a friend of yours from the past, no, who you had with this, no. So, ay magbabalik, no, someone from the past, no. So, that's it, no. So, just take what's resonate for you, Cancer, no. So, let's see what's the message, self-care advice for you this week, Cancer, right? So, kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, Cancer. So, so, what's that card? Let's see. So, you have this, no, watch movie, no. So, Cancer, no. So, for your stress reliever this week, maybe you have to have this, no, chillax, no, something like that, no. Maybe sa bahay, no, if you have if you have pets, meron kayong mga alaga, siguro ito lang yung kasama niyo sa bahay, something like that, so manood daw kayo, watch movies, together with your pets, so or kung kasama niyo ang family niyo, but then kasi nga stress reliever mo ito, so maybe ikaw lang mag-isa at together with your, kung if you have pets, sa iyong sa'yo, right? So watch movie daw, maybe marathon ka, the whole day, something like that, para ma-relax ka, with this, I think this is a coffee, mahilig din kayo sa coffee, for some of you Cancer, so ito yung nakakapag relief ng stress nyo, something like that. So gawin nyo lang daw ito, kapag you are feeling stressful, right? So ito yung stress reliever nyo, to watch a movie, right? So so tignan naman natin overall message or advice for you ni universe, right? Overall message or advice. So kuha tayo ng one card for you, Cancer, for overall advice or message from the universe, right? So what is this? So know your worth, right? So sinasabi dito, Cancer, to know your worth. Huwag kang masyadong palabigay sa mga tao, something like that, kasi masyado kang mabait, Cancer, so nasasamantala ka, people are taking advantage of you, so kailangan mong unahin dito ang sarili mo, so dahil sa yun nga, masyado kang mapagbigay, hindi mo palaging inuuna mo yung ibang tao, so nawawalan ka na ng pagpapahalaga sa sarili mo kasi mas inuuna mo ang ibang tao, right? So sinasabi sa'yo, ina-advise sa'yo ni universe is prioritize yourself, Cancer, so unahin mo yung sarili mo at pahalagahan mo yung sarili mo. So people around you, hindi ka na-take advantage, right? Kung makikita mo rito, pera, why? Because karamihan ng tao sa paligid mo, Cancer, nandyan lang sila dahil may nabe-benefit sila sa'yo regardless sa pera. Maybe mapagbigay ka, Baga, ito lang yung mga gusto nila sa'yo, yung mga nakukuha nila. But then, overall, wala silang pakialam, something like that, so nasasamantala ka na nila, kaya ikaw ay mag-step back ka, and then know your worth, mas pahalagahan mo ngayon ang sarili mo. I know nararamdaman mo na rin to, Cancer, right? So that's it for you, Cancer, so I hope naka-resonate ka with your reading, Cancer. So thank you for watching, Cancer. So, let's continue with you, Scorpio. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Scorpio natin? So, let's see, anong sitwasyon meron kayo ng iyong person right now, whoever it is, kung sino man ang naiisip nyo right now, mga Scorpio natin, right? So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Scorpio, please. Universe, Holy Spirit, 3 cards for Scorpio. So, 1 more card. So, ano kaya yan? Let's see. What are your cards, Scorpios? So, you have this, This time, I will be honest and will change for the better. So, meron ditong nangangako, mga Scorpio, na magbabago na raw siya for the better, So, something happened, for some of you, Scorpio. So, what else? Playing all along, so yung pala, meron ditong player, Scorpio, but then yun nga, magiging honest na daw, siguro napakasinungaling pa nitong tao na to, right? So let's see what else. So emotionally unavailable, so for some of you, Scorpio, there is a player, something, someone played you, mind game you, something like that, what is this? Because dinala ka sa third party situation, something like that, always cheating, something like that, because playing all along is my nature. So matagal na niyang ginagawa ito, for some of you, Scorpio, so siguro naging emotionally unavailable ka na with this person, Scorpio, right? So wala ka nang kumbaga parang pinipigilan mo na yung sarili mo, right? Because you are so hurt, no, with this person, right, no? So but then siguro yun nga, no, na-realize nitong tao na 'to, maybe dahil hindi mo na siya pinapansin, no, something like that, because of what you have discovered, no, with this person. And then because being emotionally unavailable, right, no, so you set boundaries, no, with this person, no. So again, no, so just take what's resonate for you, no, mga Scorpios natin, right, no. So I think there is no communication with this person, right, no. So yeah, with this, no, nagiging matigas ka dito, no, Scorpio, no. So ngayon nare-realize ng tao na ito, no, na ngayon na hindi ka na nakikipag-usap sa kanya is ngayon niya na iintindihan na mali yung mga nagawa niya, no, something like that, no. So I think may pagsisisi rin dito sa tao na ito, no, and I think that this person wants to come back, no, for you na. And yun nga ay mangangako ito na magbabago na siya for the better, no, something like that, no. So sa pagbabalik ng tao na ito ay nangangako ito, maybe ngayon bumabalik na 'to at nangangako siya na hindi na daw siya magbabago na siya, no, something like that, no. But then you are being so this one, no, emotionally unavailable. So for me, Scorpio, just it's okay, no. So parang maganda din yung ginagawa mo na you are having these boundaries, no, Scorpio, because syempre nasaktan ka ng grabe, right, no, dahil niloko ka ng taon nito, no. And then kahit ba sabihin mong sinasabi niya na nagsisisi na siya, no, you have to be pa rin, no, aware, right, no, because nga in the past, no, naging siya, hindi siya naging totoo talaga, right, 'di ba? And then nag-cheat pa, right? No, so napakasinungaling na. So parang 'di ba? Be aware pa din, no. So kailangan ay kung may feelings kasi kumbaga right now I think you still have feelings for this person, eh. You're just being emotionally unavailable right now. Kumbaga ay nagmamatigas ka lang with this person, Scorpio, no. I think ay kinakausap ka nito pero parang you are being no, stubborn right now, no. Parang hindi mo pinapakitang mahalaga na sa'yo itong tao na 'to. But then, deep inside, I know na I really feel you still have feelings for this person, but you are having this, setting these boundaries, no. And that's a good thing, no. So kung ano yung ginagawa mo na yun ay para mas makita mo kung sincere ba 'to, no. Wag mo muna siya agad-agad tanggapin din, Scorpio, no. Kailangan patunayan niya muna, no, and ikaw lang din makakakita nun kung totoo na itong tao na ito, right, no. So yeah, just take your time, no. Wag kang agad-agad din magpadalos-dalos sa iyong emotion, and it is a good thing na ganito ang ginagawa mo ngayon, no. So mas ang gawin mo ngayon, i-focus mo muna ang iyong sarili mo, no. Mag-focus ka sa sarili mo, sa iyong growth, no. So hayaan mo muna itong person na ito. Hayaan mo siyang magbago para sa kanyang sarili, no. And then kapag ready na siya, and that's why na makikita mo naman, eh, kung talagang ang isang tao ay nagbabago, right, no. So yeah, that's it, no. So I hope naka-resonate ka rito, Scorpio, right, no. So let's see naman what's your self-care advice for this week, right? So, self-care advice for Scorpio. Self-care advice for Scorpios, no? So, kuha tayo ng one card here. Self-care advice for this week. Ano kaya yan? So, tingnan natin. So, you have this, no? Alone time, no? So, parang katulad din kay Cancer, no? So, alone time, no? You have to spend alone time, no? So, talagang kailangan ngayon ay unahin mo naman ang sarili mo, no? Sinasabi dito ni Universe, right, no, mga Scorpios, no? So, unahin yung sarili nyo, have a vacation, no, for some of you, kahit sa malapit lang, no? Kahit magpunta kayo ng beach, no? Kayo lang mag-isa para mas ma-relax niyo yung sarili niyo, ma-feel niyo yung sarili niyo, no? Something like that, 'di ba? Kasi kapag may ibang tao tayong kasama, mas inuuna kasi natin yung iba, eh, 'no, kaysa sa sarili natin. And then kapag ikaw lang mag-isa, syempre mas ma-e-enjoy mo, no? Kailangan mo ng sariling time, no? Something like that, no? So, kailangan mo talaga dito ay to unwind, no? Have this, no, for yourself naman, Scorpio, no? So, tignan naman natin what's the overall advice for you, Scorpio, no? Overall message or advice for you from the universe, right? So, kuha din tayo ng one card for you, Scorpio. So, yeah, let's see what is that card for you, Scorpio. So, you have this beauty sleep, no? So, kailangan mo talaga dito, no? Matinding pahinga, no? Maybe ay lagi ka talagang puyat din, no, Scorpio, no? So, kailangan mo ng rest, no? Rest well, mga Scorpio, no? So, para ma-gain mo ulit yung iyong beauty, right? No? Maybe exhausted ka na talaga right now, no? So, mga Scorpio natin. Sa kailangan nyo talaga ng time para sa sarili nyo, right? No? So, yeah, ito yung advice sa'yo ni universe na matulog ng tamang oras, right? No, wag nang masyadong nagpupuyat kung hindi naman kailangan, right? No, so kailangan talaga is sinasabi ni universe, alagaan mo naman yung sarili mo, 'di ba? May angel ka dito, no? Nag-aalala sila sa iyo, ang spirit guides mo, no? Ang angel guides mo, no, Scorpio, no? So yeah, that's it for you, Scorpio, no? So I hope naka-resonate ka with your reading today, no? So thank you for watching, Scorpio. So, yeah, let's proceed to you, Pisces. So, kamusta ka dyan, Pisces, no? Anong, excuse, anong meron sa inyong mga Pisces natin, right? So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you para sa sitwasyon ninyo ng iyong person on your mind, right? No? So, in connection man or in separation na, right? No? Whoever it is na nasa isip mo, right, Pisces? So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you. 3 cards for Pisces, please, Universe, Holy Spirit. So, one more card. So, one more card for Pisces. So, what are those cards? Let's see. So, you have this, trust in me, everything will be alright. No? So, yan, no? Sinasabi ng person na ito na maniwala at magtiwala ka lang talaga sa kanya, no? At magiging maayos din talaga ang lahat, right? No? So, what else? I hate you, you're like that. So, yan, no, siguro, there are times na naiinis siya, no, because nga ay, siguro ay nagkakaroon kayo ng conflict, no, sometimes, no, arguments, no, but I think it's a normal thing lang naman din when it comes to a relationship, no, so, right, hindi naman mawawala ang mga pagtatalo, no, so, what else? You have this, look for a sign, ask your angel, they'll be guiding you, no? So, yan, no? So, maybe ay may tampuhan na nangyari dito, no? For some of you, Pisces, no? I think, dahil may arguments na nangyari, no? For some of you. And then, yeah, maybe, I don't know, no? Kung anong pinagtalunan nyo, Pisces, no? But then, yeah, parang sinasabi dito ng isang person, no, just take what's resonate for you, no, Pisces, no. So, again, pwede magkabali-baliktad ang energies, no, right? Pwedeng ikaw to or ang person mo. So, kung saan ka lang side, right? No, so, ang isang person dito, right, is sinasabi na mag-trust, maniwala lang, no? But then, may hindi nagtitiwala dito, no? Something like that, no? There is a trust issues here, no, for someone, no, kaya merong galit, no, something like that, no, but then this person, whoever it is na sinasabing trust in me, ay humihingi siya ng signs, no, kay universe, no, something like that, no. I really feel na nagdadasal itong tao na to na siguro ay wala kayong pag-uusap right now, no, something like that, no. So, yeah, because of that ay nag-iisip na itong tao na ito, no, sabi niya parang gusto niya nang mag-reach out sa iyo, but then hindi niya magawa, no, something like that, no. So, nanghihingi siya ng signs, no, from the universe, from the angel guides, no, na bigyan siya ng sign para mag-reach out ba siya or hindi, no, something like that, no. So, whoever it is na nagsasabing trust in me is siya yung nanghihingi ng sign, no, something like that, because the other person is may galit, no, because there is, I think, is may trust issues dito, no, for some of you Pisces, no. So again, take what's resonate. So yun lang naman. So maybe if you are this na nagsabi na trust in me, but then your person is not trusting you anymore, no. So maybe this is a sign for you to reach out for your person, Pisces, no, or cross watchers, right, no. So this is a sign for you to reach out for your person. If you really true love, if you really love that person and you don't want to lose that person, then reach out for her, him na, no. So right now, no, Pisces, no. So para malaman mo na rin ano ba, kung talaga bang maaayos pa ba or hindi na, no, something like that, no. So and then iwasan na lang yung pagtatalo again, no. So make it kalma lang na pag-uusap, no, something like that, no. So yeah, that's it for you, Pisces, no. So I hope naka-resonate kayo with this reading. So let's see what's the self-care advice for you, Pisces, no, for this week. Self-care advice for you, Pisces. So let's get one card for you, Pisces. So yeah, one card for Pisces. So what is that card? So you have this, connect with your ancestors. So yan, no, 'di ba? For some of you, 'di ba nga, kasi nga you are asking guides, signs nga with your guides, no. So for some of you ay talagang may spirituality kayo, no. So just take what's resonate for you, mga Pisces, no. So yan, no, maybe with your regarding with your so I think for some of you is you need to no, be more grounded, no, by the nature, no. And also with this, no, open ang iyong third eye, no, for some of you Pisces, no. So again, take what's resonate lang na kung sino lang ang makaka-relate with this card, no. So ang self-care advice mo within this week is to have this meditation, no, connect with your ancestor, be more grounded, no. So maybe during at night mas malakas ang iyong senses, no, ang iyong third eye, you can connect with your ancestor during at night, no, mga Pisces, no, right. So yeah, so ito yung nakikita ko sa iyo, no. So you have to connect, be more grounded, have a meditation during at night especially, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, mga Pisces. So yeah, so that's it for you, mga Pisces, no. So what else, no, I mean overall advice or message for you ni Universe, Pisces. So yeah, get tayo ng one card for you, Pisces. So yeah, what's that card? So tignan natin, wait lang. So you have this endless serendipity, no. So yan, no, for some of you Pisces, no, so sinasabi dito ni Universe, no, message for you is don't lose hope, no, because kung ano man itong mga pinagdadaanan mong problems right now, struggles, obstacles right now, is soon it will be ended, no. So and soon you will have this endless serendipity, no, like you will have this endless happiness, no, some endless celebration, no, parang everyday is a celebration because uh, you overcame all those obstacles na kinaharap mo, right, no. So you are being so strong na, no, and parang napakalakas mo na because of that, no, dahil may mga pagsubok kang nalagpasan, no, something like that, no, Pisces, no. So sinasabi sa iyo dito ni Universe na don't lose hope, no, everything is in alignment for you, no, something like that, because everything that is happening with you or for you na mga hindi maganda is there is a lesson to learn kasi, no, with every pain that we have encountered, right, there is a lesson to learn. And of course, every obstacle na ma-overcame natin is again it will gain us more strength towards the future, right, no. So and soon you will have this endless serendipity, no, endless celebration for your life, no? Because masasabi mo sa sarili mo na ang lakas ko at nalagpasan ko lahat ng ito, no? Something like that, no, Pisces, no? So, napakaganda, no? Because you are getting more stronger and stronger, no? As obstacles, no, whatever it is, nalalagpasan mo, no. So yeah, so that's it, no, for you, Pisces. So I hope naka-resonate ka with your reading, no. So again, no, overall, no, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, no. So that's all your readings, no. I hope naka-resonate kayo with your readings right now. And of course, makikita nyo naman, you are being guided with the universe, with our Lord, right, no, with our God, no. So wag kayong bibitaw, no? Something like that. Kapit lang mga water signs. So, yeah, that's it for you. And God bless you all. And thank you for watching Water Signs.